What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. This week, we're exploring the most exciting open source projects trending on GitHub. Get ready to dive into 10 incredible AI-powered tools and projects that are changing the game in healthcare, web browsing, and more. Let's jump right in. Project number 1, Open Interface, your computer's autopilot. Open Interface is a revolutionary project that aims to make computers accessible to everyone by allowing them to be controlled using natural language. Imagine saying, "Find my friend's music taste from Spotify and create a party playlist for tonight's event," and watching your computer execute this complex task effortlessly. This is the future that Open Interface envisions, where computers become self-driving systems, understanding and responding to our commands just like a personal assistant. What sets this project apart is its unique approach of combining large language models, LLMs, with the ability to simulate keyboard and mouse input. It acts as a bridge between human language and computer actions, translating your requests into a series of executable steps. When you make a request, the system sends it to an LLM backend, like GPT-4v. The LLM then analyzes the request, determines the necessary actions, and generates instructions for Open Interface. These instructions are then executed by the system, simulating keyboard and mouse actions to control your computer and fulfill your request. To ensure accuracy and adaptability, Open Interface constantly takes screenshots of your screen and sends them back to the LLM. This feedback mechanism allows the system to monitor its progress, correct any errors, and adapt to changes in the application interface. While the project is still under development, its potential is immense, promising a future where interacting with computers is as simple as talking to a friend. Project number 2, LatentSync, taming stable diffusion for lip sync. This project introduces a new approach to lip syncing videos using audio. What makes LatentSync unique is its use of audio-conditioned latent diffusion models to generate lip movements directly, without relying on intermediate motion representations like other methods. It leverages the power of stable diffusion, a popular image generation model, to create realistic and synchronized lip movements based on audio input. Imagine being able to easily dub videos in different languages, or create animated characters that speak with perfect lip sync. LatentSync makes this possible by directly modeling the complex relationship between audio and visual elements. The system uses Whisper to convert audio into embeddings, which are then fed into a UNet model alongside reference and masked frames. During training, LatentSync uses a one-step method to estimate clean latents from predicted noise, which are then decoded to generate the final lip-synced frames. This approach ensures both accuracy and temporal consistency in the generated output. To further enhance temporal consistency, LatentSync incorporates a technique called temporal representation alignment, TREPA. TREPA utilizes temporal representations extracted from large-scale self-supervised video models to align the generated frames with the ground truth, ensuring smoother and more natural lip movements. The project is open source and provides inference code, data processing pipelines, and training code, allowing developers and researchers to explore and build upon this innovative approach to lip syncing. Project number 3, Stagehand, effortless AI web automation. This project revolutionizes web automation by making it simpler and more accessible for everyone, from seasoned developers to those with limited technical expertise. What sets Stagehand apart is its unique combination of Playwright's robust automation capabilities with the power of AI and natural language processing. It empowers users to automate complex web tasks using simple, human-readable instructions. Imagine telling your computer to go to ESPN, find Stephen Curry's stats, and download them as a spreadsheet, and watching it flawlessly execute these actions. Stagehand makes this possible through its intuitive AI APIs, Act, Extract, and Observe. The Act API enables interaction with web elements, like clicking buttons or filling out forms, using natural language commands. The Extract API allows you to effortlessly extract specific data points from web pages, and the Observe API provides valuable insights into the browser's actions, facilitating debugging and monitoring. Stagehand offers additional benefits when paired with BrowserBase, a platform specifically designed for web automation. It provides powerful debugging features like session replay and step-by-step debugging, allowing users to thoroughly analyze and fine-tune their automations. Furthermore, Stagehand is an open-source project, encouraging community involvement and contributions. This collaborative approach ensures continuous improvement, addressing user feedback and expanding its capabilities to encompass a wider range of web automation scenarios. Project number 4, NVIDIA Cosmos, a world model development platform for physical AI. NVIDIA Cosmos is a developer-first world foundation model platform designed to help physical AI developers build their physical AI systems better and faster. This platform is unique because it offers a range of features that are specifically tailored for physical AI development. First, Cosmos provides pre-trained world foundation models for both text 2 world and video 2 world generation. This means that users can generate visual simulations based on either text prompts or video prompts. Second, Cosmos includes video tokenizers that can efficiently and effectively tokenize videos into both continuous and discrete tokens. Finally, Cosmos offers post-training scripts through the NVIDIA NeMo framework that allow users to post-train the pre-trained world foundation models for various physical AI setups. The Cosmos repository enables end users to run the Cosmos models, run inference scripts, and generate videos. Cosmos contains pre-trained models available via Hugging Face under the NVIDIA Open Model license, which allows commercial use of the models for free. It also contains training scripts under the Apache 2 license, offered through the NVIDIA NeMo framework for post-training the models for various downstream physical AI applications. The platform includes features like pre-trained diffusion-based world foundation models, pre-trained autoregressive-based world foundation models, video tokenizers, and a video curation pipeline for building your own video dataset. The details of the platform are described in the Cosmos paper, and preview access is available at build.nvidia.com. Project number 5, GitPodcast. Turn any GitHub repo into a podcast in seconds. GitPodcast is a project that revolutionizes the way you interact with GitHub repositories by converting them into engaging podcasts in seconds. This unique project allows you to listen to the contents of a repository, including code, issues, and pull requests, as an audio narrative. Imagine listening to your favorite open-source projects while commuting, working out, or doing other activities. Instead of staring at your screen, you can simply listen to the repository's structure and understand its key components. This innovative project leverages the power of OpenAI and Azure Speech SDK for fast podcast generation. The frontend is built with Next.js, TypeScript, Tailwind CSS, and ShadCN, while the backend uses FastAPI, Python, and server actions. Data is managed efficiently with PostgreSQL and Drizzle ORM. For deployment, the frontend resides on Vercel, while the backend utilizes EC2. GitPodcast is built for scalability and reliability, with a robust technology stack. Contributing to this open-source project is encouraged through pull requests. GitPodcast currently utilizes Gemini Flash EXP 2.0 for converting GitHub content to SSML, with a rate limit of 15 API calls per minute, and Azure Speech Service for SSML to speech conversion, limited to 0.5 million characters. The project aims to enhance user experience by allowing voice selection, removing token count dependency on Anthropic, and enabling user prompts in the future. Project number 6, ZerePy, your AI agent launchpad. Imagine having your own AI agent interacting with the world on platforms like X, formerly Twitter, Farcaster, or even managing your Solana cryptocurrency. ZerePy is an open-source Python framework that empowers you to do just that. This project acts as a launchpad for building and deploying your AI agents, leveraging the power of large language models, LLMs, from providers like OpenAI, Anthropic, Eternal AI, Llama, Hyperbolic, and Galadriel. What makes ZerePy unique is its modular design and extensive integration capabilities. It offers a command line interface for managing your agents, seamless connections to various social platforms and blockchains, and support for multiple LLMs. Whether you want your agent to post engaging tweets, manage your crypto portfolio, participate in online discussions, or explore the potential of blockchain technology, ZerePy provides the tools to make it happen. The project also allows you to customize your agent's behavior with a configuration file, where you can define its personality, traits, and examples of actions. ZerePy simplifies getting started with AI agent development. Its Quick Start Guide provides a ready-to-use Replit template, allowing you to launch your agent with just a few clicks. The project offers comprehensive documentation and a vibrant community, making it easy to learn and build upon its features. So, if you're ready to explore the world of AI agents and unleash their potential, ZerePy is your go-to launchpad. Project number 7, AppAgent, bringing smartphone apps to life with AI. Imagine having an AI agent that can seamlessly operate your smartphone apps, completing tasks, just like a human user. AppAgent is an innovative project that turns this vision into reality. It's an LLM-based multimodal agent framework designed to interact with smartphone applications, mimicking human actions like tapping and swiping. This project leverages the power of large language models, specifically GPT-4v or llms, to understand and execute your commands. What makes AppAgent truly unique is its ability to operate without needing access to the app's backend. This bypasses the limitations of traditional automation tools and expands its compatibility across a wide range of applications. The agent learns to navigate new apps through two intuitive methods: autonomous exploration and learning from human demonstrations. In the autonomous exploration phase, the agent attempts to complete the given task on its own, documenting the elements and actions it interacts with. Alternatively, users can demonstrate a task and AppAgent will learn from their actions, creating a comprehensive knowledge base. This knowledge base is then used during the deployment phase, enabling the agent to perform complex tasks within the app. Getting started with AppAgent is simple. You'll need an Android device, the Android Debug Bridge (ADB), on your computer, and an API key for either GPT-4v or llms. The GitHub repository provides detailed instructions and the necessary code. AppAgent's innovative approach opens up a world of possibilities, from automating routine tasks to assisting users with disabilities, revolutionizing the way we interact with our smartphones. Project number 8, AutoGPT-01, revolutionizing medical reasoning with AI. Imagine an AI doctor that can think like a human expert, identifying mistakes, exploring alternative treatment strategies, and refining its diagnoses. That's the power of AutoGPT-01, a cutting-edge medical large language model (LLM) that pushes the boundaries of AI in healthcare. This groundbreaking project utilizes verifiable medical problems derived from challenging medical exams, ensuring its reasoning is grounded in real-world medical knowledge. What sets AutoGPT-01 apart is its unique two-stage training process. First, it undergoes supervised fine-tuning, SFT, using data generated by GPT-4o, a powerful language model. This data includes complex chains of thought, simulating the intricate reasoning process of human doctors. Then, it moves on to reinforcement learning, RL, where a specialized medical verifier acts as a reward system, further honing the model's reasoning abilities. This results in an AI capable of not just providing answers, but also explaining its reasoning in a way that is understandable and trustworthy. AutoGPT-01 is open source, making its models, data, and code accessible to researchers and developers worldwide. This collaborative approach fosters further advancements in medical AI, ultimately leading to more accurate diagnoses, improved treatment strategies, and a brighter future for healthcare. Project number 9, Lightpanda Browser, a headless browser built for speed. Imagine a web browser that's incredibly fast, lightweight, and specifically designed for tasks like web scraping and automation. That's Lightpanda, an open-source browser built from the ground up for headless usage. Unlike traditional browsers like Chrome, which can be resource-intensive and filled with features unnecessary for headless operations, Lightpanda prioritizes efficiency and performance. What makes Lightpanda stand out is its unique architecture. It's not based on Chromium, Blink, or WebKit. Instead, it's built with Zig, a low-level system programming language known for its speed and optimization capabilities. This results in a browser with a remarkably small memory footprint, 9 times smaller than Chrome, and exceptionally fast execution, 11 times faster. Lightpanda supports essential features for web interaction, including JavaScript execution, basic DOM APIs, and a growing set of web APIs. It's also compatible with popular automation tools like Playwright and Puppeteer through the Chrome DevTools Protocol, CDP. While Lightpanda is still under development, in beta stage, it already shows great promise for headless browsing tasks. Its dedication to performance and minimal resource usage makes it a compelling alternative for developers and businesses looking for a fast and efficient headless browser solution. You can download the latest binary from the nightly builds for Linux and Mac OS or build Lightpanda from the source code. Project number 10, Resume Matcher, your AI-powered resume assistant. Imagine having an AI tool that analyzes your resume and compares it to job descriptions, providing you with insights and suggestions to make it stand out. That's precisely what Resume Matcher does. This free and open-source tool uses AI, specifically reader LLMs, to compare and rank resumes with job descriptions. It helps you tailor your resume for specific job applications, increasing your chances of getting noticed by employers. What makes Resume Matcher unique is its ability to mimic the functionality of an applicant tracking system, ATS. These systems are used by many companies to filter resumes, and Resume Matcher helps you optimize your resume to pass through these systems successfully. Resume Matcher parses both your resume and the job description using Python, just like an ATS would. It then uses advanced machine learning algorithms to extract relevant keywords from the job description and identify key terms or themes. This deep analysis helps you understand the specific skills and experience the employer is looking for. Resume Matcher then goes a step further by using Fast Embed, a highly efficient embedding system, to measure how closely your resume matches the job description. The higher the similarity score, the better your chances of passing the ATS screening. With its comprehensive analysis and AI-powered insights, Resume Matcher empowers you to create a resume that highlights your strengths and aligns perfectly with the requirements of your desired job. That's it for our look at 10 amazing open-source AI projects on GitHub. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss future videos exploring the latest innovations. Let me know in the comments which project you found most interesting. Until next time, keep coding.